So today I will show you how to make a Pong game. Pong games are like fun to play and even to create. And this Pong game will be very easy to create. So I'll just press the create button and let's start. We're gonna go to the Scratch Cat costumes and we're gonna delete all the Scratch Cat's costumes. And then we're gonna add a clean one. And for this one, we're going to create a ball. We're going to hold shift so it makes a perfect ball. Yeah, perfect circles are going to be very good for balls. And you have to hold shift to make like a perfect shapes. Now for this one, we're just going to have to make a good size. A good size like I guess 46 x 46 pixels. So I'm gonna select first. We're gonna change the color. Whatever you like. If you want to do a different type of color, you can do it. It's your choice. I'm just gonna do like a saturated orange. That's a good color. Now let's double check if it's 46 x 46 pixels. Yeah, it is. Good. We're gonna go to code. We're gonna add a green flag. Then let's add a pointing direction like 45. 45 is a good one. Then after that, we're going to add a forever loop. Then we're going to add, after the forever loop, first we're going to add the forever loop. Then inside the forever loop, we're going to add move 15 steps. Then after that, we're going to add like if on edge bounce. That's cool, right? Now we're gonna make a new sprite. First we're gonna name the ball. Then we're gonna, after adding the new sprite, the new sprite will be like a paddle. So let's make a good paddle. The paddle should be like 89 x 15 pixels. So let's just make the size a good size. It should be like 89 x 15 pixels, okay? Almost there. Just need to make it that. Because if it's way much smaller than that, it could be too big. Like too small. And then if we make it too big, it's going to be too big. Let's just choose a good color for this. I think like a light cyan. Yeah, that looks good. Now, that's cool, right? Now let's just gonna name that sprite Paddle. And now in the paddle, we're gonna add a green flag first, and then a forever loop. Inside the forever loop, we're gonna add a set X to, we're gonna go to first we're gonna add that, and then we're gonna go to sensing and gonna add mouse X. Set X to mouse X. So when we do it, it's gonna follow our mouse. So that's good, right? Now we're gonna select the ball sprite. And then we're gonna add a green flag. When green flag clicked, we're gonna add another one, and after adding that, we're gonna add forever loop, and we're gonna add an if block saying if touching. We're gonna go to sensing, and we're gonna add a touching block. We're gonna say touching paddle. Then we're gonna do turn 180 degrees, okay? We're gonna do 180. 180 sounds like a good one. Then 180, right? Okay. Move 15 steps. Wait, and then we're gonna add, after 15 steps, we're gonna add I think a good one would be wait 0.5. 0.5 is gonna be a good one. Then we're gonna make a new variable named score. So we're gonna do that for all sprites, and we're gonna add like, I think we should make it a large readout. Then let's put it in the middle. That looks good. Now let's go to we can do change score by 1. So let's do change score by 1. And now let's just delete the my variable. Cool, right? Now we did it, okay? It's like bouncing and stuff, right? Let's just make it a bit down. It's bouncing, right? Let's see. Now, here's the problem. First, we're gonna add paddle, go to the where we want it to. Now we have to add a line. Then we're gonna make a line sprite that is 482 x 15 pixels. But it can be a bit bigger than that because it's just a line. It doesn't have to be that much, but it just needs to be a line. And we're gonna hold shift so it's a straight line. And I think red is gonna be a good color. So we're gonna drag it down there. Drag it into a good position. Yeah, that's a good position. We don't want the ball falling in the lava or the line. It looks like lava. That looks good. Now, on the line sprite, we're just gonna go to code and we're gonna add a green flag. And with the green flag, we're gonna add a forever block, then an if statement, and an if touching ball. Then we're gonna add a stop all. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's save it, and in the background first, let's add a good background. Let's convert to bitmap, and what color? You can choose your own color for a backdrop. I think a light blue, no, not a light blue. Any color would be good. Look, that might look good. You can make a different color, like a greenish color, a saturated green. That would look nice. You could choose and all the stuff you created, you could choose your own color. So look, it crashes, it works. Now you can even bounce it, and it's bouncing off the paddle. That works. This game is awesome, it's working. And this is the end of this video. Bye!